Most people think Vaseline is something your grandma uses for cracked teeth, but it's actually one of the most underrated grooming tools ever made. While most guys are out there dropping hundreds of dollars on fancy skincare and hair products that barely work, smart men know this secret. One small jar of Vaseline can completely upgrade your appearance. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 game-changing Vaseline hacks that'll improve how you look, smell, and feel. Watch this until the end, because once you see what this tiny jar can do, you'll never underestimate it again. The Instant Jawline Enhancer. Here's something most guys don't realize. You can make your jawline look sharper in seconds. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline and lightly apply it right under your jawline. Not on top, but exactly where your natural shadow falls. That thin, glossy line catches the light and creates a subtle contrast that defines your jaw. Photographers use this trick all the time when shooting male models. The shine creates a more chiseled, masculine look instantly. Use this trick before going out or snapping photos, and your jaw will look stronger and more sculpted. Remember, less is more. You want a natural contour, not a greasy shine. 2. The Lip Upgrade Routine. Cracked, dry lips, that's an instant turnoff. No matter how good you look, if your lips are rough, it kills your vibe. Here's the fix. After brushing your teeth, use the same toothbrush to gently exfoliate your lips. This removes dead skin and increases circulation, giving them a natural color boost. Then, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to lock in moisture. Do this every night before bed, and you'll wake up with soft, smooth, healthy-looking lips. Women notice this, and trust me, it makes a big difference. 3. The hair texture trick. If your hair looks flat or too oily, you're doing it wrong. The key is balance, and Vaseline can help. Take a tiny amount, seriously, less than a fingertip. Rub it between your palms until it's almost invisible. Then run your hands through your hair. It gives your hair light shine, texture, and hold, without making it look greasy. This is how you get that effortless, natural look that women love. Stylish, but not overdone. Start small. You can always add more later. Too much, and you'll look like you dunked your head in oil. If you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, because this is just the start. We're leveling up every part of your life, one smart hack at a time. 4. The Dark Circle Fixer. Tired-looking eyes instantly make you appear older and less energetic. Dark circles send one message: poor sleep, poor health. Luckily, you can fix that easily. Every night before bed, gently dab a small amount of Vaseline under your eyes. It keeps the delicate skin hydrated, reduces puffiness, and over time, fades dark circles. After a couple of weeks, your eyes will look fresher and more awake, like you've been sleeping great and taking care of yourself. People will think you're using some expensive eye cream. Just smile and keep the secret. 5. The Fragrance Lock Trick. Here's something most guys don't know. Even the most expensive colognes fade in just a few hours, unless you use this trick. Melt a small amount of Vaseline between your palms. Then spray your favorite fragrance directly into it. Mix it slightly and apply to your neck, wrists, and behind your ears. The Vaseline traps the scent molecules and releases them slowly, making your fragrance last 8 to 10 hours instead of just 2 or 3. You'll smell amazing all day, even long after you've left the room. And that's it. Those are 5 simple Vaseline hacks that can level up your grooming game, boost your confidence, and make you look naturally attractive without spending hundreds of dollars.